Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. On my last video, we are discussing about the Bollinger Band, Doji, which is present over the Bollinger Band, upper Bollinger Band. And the same kind of code we can use for a lower Bollinger Band also, where the Doji candle which is forms below the lower Bollinger Band, the doji which is present below the lower Bollinger Band, there is a good opportunity to take a buying trade or buy opportunity. We can find out at the lowest level of the market, may helping you to trade with help of this scanner. So previous scanner I have done for a upper Bollinger Band. This scanner I am going to done for a lower Bollinger Band. This code is very easy for do that because we already created a code which will help you to find out the stock which is the formation of the doji candle which is over the upper Bollinger Band. So this will help us. So the doji is the same, and we are finding out the stock which is trading over 100 rupees. So these two lines were a doji with a 100 rupees above stock. So only thing which we are going to change over here, it must be lower Bollinger Band. So that is the thing which we are going to do here. The latest high should be less than the a lower Bollinger Band. So this will find out those stock which is forming a doji candle below its lower Bollinger Band. So let's run the scanner. Today we didn't find out, and back to, so we have a lot of stocks. Let's we save the scan now. So lower Bollinger Band, doji below lower Bollinger Band. So same, nothing changes on that. You can create your scanner and dashboard. You can create your own. So this is the idea where I am going to find out the such a kind of great opportunities, right, on the reversal. So here lot of stock which is present recently and a few days back, that is what 29th, that is yesterday, that is 29th November, we are finding a Tata Consume. What happened here? Perfect. Tata Consume were forming a doji at the bottom, and also it broken today the high of this previous day, that is given your entry, and it moves towards 700. So let's remove all the drawings. So what happened here? So that is a good opportunity at the lowest level, because previously the market was traded around 850, 56 or 57. Now we got our lower level buy opportunity around 774. That is a good opportunity where we can try to take a trade. Around 775 is the entry price, and it is moving towards the 789. This was such a good opportunity where it is present at the lowest level of the market. That very important. So where we are going to buy at the lowest price. Maybe that is also working good, and again it is trading at the same price. Maybe I'm recording this as in a live market. This is a market is going on. So the entry point was 779, and suddenly market moves up, and again it corrected from the top. So everything was good, but it is a positional trade. We are not focusing for an intraday. So further we can expect a even higher level. There is a chances to make money from this trade, right? Let's see. This is the one which is present at the recently lower Bollinger Band, and the second one, this is the which is forming around 23rd. Let's see what are the stock. Bajaj Auto. Oh, Bajaj Auto, where it is 23rd means there. Maybe stop loss, but it is next day it's a gap of opening, and also it is a open high. So there is a small changes that we already do every time do when the stock which is opened above the previous high, and we are waiting for the trade, and we have the another method. If the stock opens above previous day high, and if it is forms open high, that is a sell opportunity, right? So previous videos we have mentioned about the gap up sell opportunities. This is opened above previous day. The previous day high is 344.3448. The next day market opened 3459, and exactly it is open high. Even the open price is not broken. The high price is open equal to high. that will help tell you as, so there is a reversal, maybe this is a ignorable trade. Even if you are doing the trade, maybe the stop loss, and if finding out even lower level opportunity, there is a good one. And what about other stock? And November 11th, IndusInd Bank, okay, that is going down. Let's see what happened in IndusInd Bank. This is the 11th November. Okay, good. So it broken and it moves small and it triggers your stop loss. That's it. Almost 20 point. I think this is another doji where it is presented below the bottom of the market. So even if you find out any other doji which is below to the market price, the Bollinger lower Bollinger band, we can try to trade with that. So minimum loss we are taken out, no problem. So but it is working good. The scanner will working good, and this was Asian Paint. Let's see Asian Paint where it is forms. That is a 22nd. I think this one may be good. When there is a breakout on the next day or 2 days later, so after that the market rallied. So that is also working good. So if you have any questions or a doubt about this thing, you can ask me on the comment. So this will help you to find out such a great opportunity at a lower level as well as higher level. So these two scanner you can make copy and you can make use of it, and let me know how the accuracy and how it is working. You can tell me. And while if you are taking option trades, so untested price level you can try with that. So means when any see, for example, this is the trade opportunity, how to select a strike prices. So everyone who are asking about how to select the right strike price for that thing. So I'm not focusing for ATM or OTM options. I'm mainly focusing for ITM option. That should be the price tested and bounced back, or it is the price is not tested level. So whereas there is a entry point, let's mark that level. So I tell you how to select a strike price. So 3002 is our entry point, right? So this day where 22nd October we got this doji pattern and lower its Bollinger band. So we are focusing for a buying opportunity on the stock. We are not going to sell even if it is breaks the low, because it is what already in the bottom of the market. Already it is a very least price compared to previous price. So we are trying to buying opportunity whenever it present. We are going to try to trade with a buy. So 3002 is our entry point, where my stop loss is 2912. Right? This is what are my entry point. And the next day market started over here 3002. Next day market even going lower and broke the low, and even it made a new low of 2850. Sorry, 2840. So this is the low, and then market recovered and it is crossed above the level, and it gives you entry point after 2 days. So the level where the market tested and bounced back is 2840. If you are trying to take a trade in options, we can try to buy a 2840 call option. Even it is a costlier, but it is a full of intrinsic value and some a little bit of time value only. So we are not facing with any issues with the time value. Or we can try with the 2800 round number, always having good volume. So this is the way where we can select a strike price that will help you to find out such a great trade opportunities whenever you made a trade. So this is entry. So using this kind of movement, this option sure it will increase as per the movement, and delta of that option also little bit higher. It will give you such a great opportunity to trade. So based on the strike price selection, how we can select a strike price for this kind of trade. Normally I do select the strike prices based on this the previous lower level or the higher level. So that will help me to give me a correct profit even according to the market movement. If you are going to take a trade in ATM options or even a OTM options, it will if you are OTM option, even market moves, so you will be affected by the time value. If it is ATM options, when the market moves very big, the ATM converted into ITM, that will also giving you profit. But while taking the trade itself, I'm taking a safe zone. So that is why I'm taking a ITM option. So this is the way I can select my strike prices whenever I gotta find a opportunity. That's about this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and share to your friends. If you have any questions, just comment in the comment box. And thanks for watching this video, and thank you very much.